This is part number F1-RKIT. It is a kit with reflective labeling, with 25 pieces of A to Z letters, 25 pieces of 0 to 9 numbers, 25 pieces of blank labels, and 25 pieces of dash symbols. This is the number 0. There are 25 pieces of the 0 reflective label. It is self-adhesive, so you can peel off the white paper and then stick it to where needed. Here's 25 pieces of number 1, 2, and 3, all the way to number 7, 8, and 9. Starting from letter A, B until letter Z. And then there are 25 pieces of dash, also 25 pieces of blank label. There is nothing on the blank label. All these labels are self-adhesive at the back, and you can simply peel off the white paper and stick the labels to your desired location. These labels are reflective. When there is light shining on the label, you get very visible high reflection. Labels are laminated for protection against UV, abrasion, and chemicals. We have this product in stock at fiberopticforsale.com. Order it by following the link below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube and Vimeo channel for more free fiber optic training videos.